Hey, what's up everyone? In this episode I teach Kara how to snowboard, and later in the video watch her go flying down the mountain. Comment down below if you think I'm a good snowboard instructor, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.
Christmas Day snowboarding! Yay!
Yay! White Christmas!
White Christmas! We don't get this in Florida. We'll never get this in Florida. So, rotate your top.
Okay, so in this first part I'm trying to teach her how to roll over on her stomach so she comes up on her toe edge.
There you go.
I don't do a very good job of explaining what I mean, but she gets it.
Yeah, you're good. Now, go on your toes. No, like, you want to dig into the ground. Yeah. So go flat.
And here I'm trying to teach her how to turn so that she comes back down on her heel edge while going down the mountain so she can properly stop.
I just want to make sure.
Yeah, there you go. That's how you stop.
Yeah.
So heel
Yeah.
to stop when you're facing down. When you're facing downhill.
Yeah.
When you're facing uphill, toes.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying your first Christmas snowboarding? While I'm over here with the stuffy nose being sick.
Is it getting worse?
No, it's getting better actually.
So she managed to learn how to do the rollover on her own. She does it pretty well, but her balance is a little shaky. So in the next area, you can see I'm trying to teach her how to do the pendulum, shifting your weight from left to right while going down the mountain, trying to keep control and trying to keep your center of gravity low to the ground so that you don't have too many spills or fallovers. The main part that I'm trying to emphasize here is to keep your arms up and keep your knees bent, keeping your center of gravity low. I forgot to mention this earlier, but this is the Spring Valley Ski Resort on the Izumi-ga-take mountain range, one of the closest mountain ranges to Sendai, where I live. My friend Tomoaki brought us here because this is one of the cheapest ski resorts that had opened up for early season for about 2,000 yen or $20 US for a full 8-hour pass, or what they call a day pass. I spent the first couple of hours with Kiara just teaching her the basics, how to stand up, roll over, go down the hill without falling into too much trouble. Afterwards, we head to the top of the mountain on our first lift.
Look, our first lift. And we are not even, the boards aren't on our feet, we're holding it.
Yeah, it's heavy when it's on the feet. When they try to be later.
Exactly.
I'm telling you, I feel like a dog wearing the shoes for the first time.
She said she hasn't snowboarded in over 10 years, which was back when she lived in Japan. But the more that we practiced and went over the routines, I could tell that her body had remembered what she had did back then, and it was coming back to her more and more. She was very proud of the fact that she was able to go down the mountain without falling a bunch of times. Snowboarding is a sport that requires you to engage the use of your core and your lower body, especially your glutes and your thighs. So at this point, we had been practicing on the mountain, going up and down quite a few times, and her legs were getting tired. So we decided to take a break, go down to the cafe at the bottom of the mountain, have a quick lunch, and come back. But I forgot to record us having lunch and what we had for lunch. So you just get to see the end result of us doing our last run for the day.
It's so icy.
It's icy.
If you like what you watch, be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think.
Gun finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go. It's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the
Last one.
Last ride of the day.
Last ride of the day.
It's too icy to continue after this.
Sun's going down.
Yep,
So
sun's almost gone.
It's on a.
It's a nice sunset though. Orange.
I can't see shit.
Oh, yours is dark.
years. I know that's how they like. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done.
Snowing with the beginner.
I let him hit the fear of the past and progress.
It's funny that I say I'm snowboarding with the beginner when I'm actually a beginner myself. Only been snowboarding for about a year at this point. And I hurt my knee last year on my third run of the year, so I was pretty much done for the rest of the year.
Right for the time, press play, they pause time for a beat. I'm in love with the fine print, scribble type of shit that goes behind it, why this bitch is supposed to be hiding. Need this shit forever, but I know that I can stop until they put me in the coffin or the oven. Fuck me, this the all turn they false print. I was with this shit, for the dog, so this is the dog. Searching for the shit's to myself, give me fears when I'm looking in the mirror. I'm seeing somebody else, pinpoint in the globe, so I wanted to go from it. So that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything. I got my eyes low with the sky froze with a brown flex. I don't really know. Scope your mind down with the mind scope. So many things I never learned with my eyes closed.
If you check out this clip right here, you can see how uncomfortable I am getting my carves and edge turns. Actually, the weekend before, me and Tomoaki went out to this exact same mountain so he could teach me how to do edge carves. And yet here I am 1 year and a couple months later teaching somebody else how to snowboard when I barely have a grasp of it on myself. But I think she did a really good job on her first time in 10 years. Either that or I'm just a really good teacher. Let me know what you think down below.
And I got these lame niggas cross cause I'm starving, they gotta see my highlight. You could have saw this on my shoulder. This thing when it rolls good, it might go for me. You couldn't pinpoint in the globe, so I wanted to go for me. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything.
You're almost there.
What I was taught when learning to snowboard is when your legs start to get tired and you start falling a lot, it's probably a good time to call it quits for the day. Otherwise, you're probably going to end up injuring yourself. So we did a full 6 to 7 hours of snowboarding that day, and throughout the entire day, nobody got injured or hurt or anything like that. It's important that you take care of yourself so that you don't get injured, because if somebody learning to snowboard gets injured, they're probably not going to do it later because they fear of getting hurt again. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate it if you leave a like and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video or how good of a teacher I am. Also, be sure to check out the last video where she whooped me in some arcade games.